Hi, my name is Kubra Seth, taking you through the next two absolutely brilliant, scintillating and power-packed days right here. Put in so much effort and not deterred from three words. I, me and myself. हम यहाँ celebrate करेंगे आपके achievements को full to Fataka style में. As you can see, the stage is getting set right now. The lights going up, the trusses are ready. What are we doing all of this for? It is none other than the Banker Superstar Summit with Salman Khan.
I, me, myself.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
की बात करते हैं. We've got Sonu Nigam, Jacqueline Fernandez, and well, of course, me myself. So join me. आप सोच रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है? यहाँ पे फिलहाल family members of ICICI are doing their check-ins. But ये होटल शायद काफी नहीं होगा. तो जी हाँ, check-ins चल रहे हैं Trident Hotel में, ITC Grand में और the Grand Hyatt में. How many people have you transported here to Mumbai?
2,000 people across 47 different hubs in 3 different modes of transport: air, rail, and road.
How is this event different from all the other events that you've done?
Grand, grand, and grand.
Tell me, how excited are you about the twin events happening?
This is the second such big event I'm part of, and it's absolutely amazing being part of the team at the back end, behind the stage. There's so much that goes into it. This one is absolutely amazing.
These fake blush smiles are going to turn into some real smiles because yes, I'm going to be hosting the night, the big blockbuster Bollywood night.
It's a real honor for me to be here tonight, and I'm really happy to see all of y'all. I saw you guys. You guys are cool.
It's time for us to go up close and personal and meet Sonu Nigam. How excited are you to perform out there tonight?
As excited as I am before every show. I can hear the crowd. It's going exciting anyways. I'm looking forward to going on the stage now.
Lovely.
And well, that is only because we're going to meet tomorrow at the MMRDA grounds celebrating the Bancassurance Superstar Summit, of course, with the one and only
Feel the heat, feel the kick, feel the power, feel the punch.
Peekaboo. Hi, it is day 2. Well, as you can see, this is the entry to the VIP area. So, follow me. My feet can't stop moving. That is Shiva Money.
Well, this is the mother, father, bodyguard of all shows that you could ever see. We have about 7 cranes that need to be worked. So for a corporate event, this is really big time. Kickoff day was on the 1st, and today is the 10th, and we have it all done. The best special effects that will come up on that 100 by 70 feet stage. Take it away.
फाड़ू है।
2,000 people are going to fill up this very arena in just a little while.
Ma'am, one message to all of them who are watching you right now live.
Well, the message is that we are all a part of a big family, and I think what's very important for all of us is all the companies to work together and synergize with each other.
Thank you, ma'am. Please have all the fun.
Time has arrived. Him to arrive.
Ladies, hold on to your hearts, and gentlemen, hold on to your ladies. Here he is,
Salman Khan.
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर ली, फिर मैं अपने आप की भी सुनता।
पहले तो ये बता दो सबको कि फैन किसके हो?
सलमान खान। उड़ उड़ दबंग 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 उड़ उड़ दबंग 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 जो झुंझार हो तैयार वही सरदान चढ़ा के उड़ उड़ दबंग 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 दबंग।
प्रॉब्लम ये हो रहा है कि फैंस उस रेंज के अंदर है 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 और फिर उसके बाद जाते हैं सिर्फ 45-50 के ऊपर। बीच का सेक्शन वो बाकी के 2 लेके चले गए। It's just luck, it's just destiny. God always gives you 2 choices. You can make the wrong one, but the next one when it comes to you, you try and pick the right one.
Would you want to wish them luck and wish them all the very best?
Luck, destiny, future, happiness, children, money, no illness, right woman, right man.
Anandan Sivamani. I'm very happy to be here. I'm playing with my other drummers.
That's right.
I'm really looking forward to rock the show, especially for our ICIC family.
Tell me something. What is your winning mantra?
See, everybody says I'm excellent. I'm swimming in the ocean to learn. And my mantra is Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam. Live happy and prosperous. God bless.
This is the gorgeous Diya Mirza. Hi, how are you doing?
Very good.
Tell me something. How was it performing for the ICICI Superstars today?
Today was very special with Salman, and he's a wonderful person. So it's really nice that people here got to see that side too.
Something for the ICICI Superstars right there.
Well, you're all superstars in your own right, and it's wonderful to know that you're all excelling in what you're doing. And this is an evening organized to celebrate that excellence and that moment of achievement. And I think all of you are going to go back home with wonderful memories, and I hope to see you all back again next year.
Again and again and again. So tell us, good-looking Manish, how was it hosting a show for ICICI?
I think it was amazing. Yeah, this is the first time I was hosting the show for ICICI. I think it's a brilliant team. The audience was really excited, and I was really happy to see so many people getting the awards. I'll give my whole life of anchoring, to them, because I think they've been really sweet. They've been really good, and I really wish them all the luck.
Diya, where's the party tonight?
Grand Hyatt.
Are you really up for it?
Thank you so much.
It is actually like a dream come true. Sharing the stage with the mega star of India so far, it was really awesome.
The best part was when he danced with our colleague. It is one of the best, well-managed programs.
Salman Khan, Mussalman.